Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed that real quick unboxing and real quick what it looks like when the headphones are charging and when it looks like when the headphones are fully charged. And now in this portion of the video, we're going to get into my first impressions of and I know I'm going to say this wrong, so please forgive me, the ACANDYA X series truly wireless Bluetooth headphones specifically designed for iPhones, so anything iPhone 13 or newer, and Galaxy phones, anything Galaxy S21 or newer. All right, so let's get into this here. Now, this is an unboxing and first impression, so please be on the lookout for all of my extended coverage moving forward from this video. And as I stated in the first portion of the video, this is another product brought to you guys thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So you will have to wait a little bit longer because I will have to get out my written review and get it submitted and published on Amazon before I can finish up all of the video coverage. And as always, if this video piques your interest and you'd like to know where you can pick these headphones up and help support the channel as well, all the affiliated buy links will be available down below in the video description below. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using the affiliate buy links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider that a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Okay, that being said, I hope you guys and gals find this video helpful, and without further ado, let's dive into the first impressions portions of this video. Let's go. Now, starting off talking about the overall look and the first impressions of the headphones, because I've literally been messing around with them for a few minutes. All I did was unbox them, give them a full charge, and then box them back up to give y'all that unboxing experience. But holding them in my hand, I do have to say they are very lightweight. Now, one negative that I can see already, I don't know how well the iPhone's cameras are going to do at picking it up, but these are very fingerprinty headphones. So this type of glossy material does pick up a lot of fingerprints. I don't know how well the iPhone 13 Pro Max cameras are going to do at picking it up, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. But that's one thing I can tell you I don't like already. The headband, the ear cups, even the carrying case already has picked up a considerable amount of fingerprints. So that's already one negative I can see right there. Another negative that I don't like about these headphones, and you saw it at the beginning, these headphones fold up, okay? I'm not a big fan of folding headphones because I do feel like the folding portions do make for a breakage point. So I do feel like folding headphones can be easily broken. So I'm not a big fan of that. And these do swivel as well. I'm not a big fan of that either. All right. But one upside, because we can't have all negatives in the first impressions, I do like the fact that these headphones do incorporate USB Type-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And I also like the fact that these headphones do have dedicated clicky buttons, okay? And they also incorporate ANC and all of the good stuff you would like to see, as well as Bluetooth 5.4. All right, so really, really good stuff there. Now, let me try on the headphones and give you guys and gals my first impressions of the overall fit and the feel, and then we're going to wrap this video up. And again, stay tuned for more of my extended coverage on these headphones moving forward. So let me just try them on real quick. Now, they are labeled. So this one is the right ear cup and that one is the left ear cup. So I know how to put it on. So let's just put it on. Okay, let me adjust it so it fits me nice and perfectly. All right, now, first impressions of the fit. I do like the passive noise cancellation that the earbuds provide. Now, my AC is going, but putting on the headphones without turning on the ANC, because these earbuds or headphones, I use those terms interchangeably, do have ANC. It does provide a nice amount of passive noise cancellation, and I can still comfortably hear myself talk, so that is really nice. And the ear cups do feel very comfortable on my ears, so that's very, very nice as well. Now, I have previously already taken some photos of what the headphones look like on my head and on my ears. I'm going to go ahead and throw those up in the video and post for y'all to check out. And this is adjusted just the way I like it for comfort, so y'all can see what it looks like on my head and over my ears. And if your head size and ear shape is similar to mine, this could give you an overall general idea as to how these headphones may fit on your head and fit over your ears. All right, so check out the B-roll I'll have thrown up in the video in post. And keep in mind, everything for today's video was recorded with the iPhone 13 Pro Max cameras, and that's photo and video performance, as well as audio. There's no extended audio hooked up in today's video either. All right, so let me know how you guys and gals feel the iPhone 13 Pro Max is performing in today's video. But talking about the overall comfort and the fit of the headphones in terms of first impressions, I do have to say it is fitting my head quite nicely. Let me do a quick shake test. Okay, now it is slightly moving around on my head, so there is a little bit of wobble. It doesn't quite stay quite solid, even though it's adjusted right where I would want it to be. So, you know, that's kind of something I don't like. When I put the headphones on, I really like them to stay in the position that I put them in, but when I do a quick shake, it does move around ever so slightly, okay? But let's take the headphones off now, and let's put them back into the frame. But first impressions of the ACANDYA X Series headphones, these do seem to be some really good headphones in terms of the first impressions. But y'all stay tuned because I'm reserving my full judgment till the full review. And if you would like to know how I feel about these headphones before the full review goes live, please feel free to follow me on Amazon. I'll put a link to my Amazon down below. This way y'all will get to see how I feel about these headphones when the full written review goes live on Amazon. And yes, when the full written review does go live on Amazon, that does mean that I have continued the video coverage. So y'all will see video coverage moving forward after the full written review of these is published on Amazon. All right. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And stay tuned, everyone, because I guarantee you I'll go over everything you need to know when the full review goes live on the channel in the future. All right? And I will let you guys and gals know if these headphones are worth picking up, and if these headphones are headphones that I could recommend that you guys and gals pick up if you're in the market for headphones like these here in mid to late 2025. All right, that's enough. I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. And I will catch you guys and gals on the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right, let me get to using these. And let's get to testing them, and we'll see how they do. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.